For this introduction of our mini project, which is for the bicycle rental system for this topic. So the system main focus to offer a seamless user experience from the captivating welcome message to the visually appealing menu. Users can effortlessly rent bicycle by entering personal details, selecting from a variety of available options, and enjoying transparent cost calculation based on hourly rates and loyalty discount for returning customers. This helps students for go to the class.
Hello everyone, so here I'm going to explain regarding our program code about bike rental system. So firstly, we use include IOStream to include the input-output stream library, and then include IOManip to include the input-output manipulation library, and then we include fstream to include the standard input or output file stream library, and then we include string to represent a sequence of characters. And then we use define receipt for resetting text formatting attributes to their default values. And then we define bold to make the text bold. And then we define each color to define each color that we use in the program code. And then we use using namespace std to print entire standard output. And we use stroke customer to declare structure customer with customized variable as name, address, and phone number. And then we use stroke bicycle to declare the structure of bicycle with customized variables such as type, color, and hourly rate. And then we use font int number bicycle equal to 3 to assign number of bicycle to the value of 3 and it remain constant. And then we use jar for available bicycle, which standard bike is in green color and it is just for 2 ringgit per hour, and then the tandem bike is in blue color and it is charged for 8 ringgit per hour, and then the beam is in red color and it is charged for 10 ringgit per hour. Next, we use void as this is a function declaration for display welcome message, display menu, display available bicycle, rent bicycle, and save customer to file. And then we use double calculate rent to specifically calculate the hourly rate bike rent with or without loyalty discount.
Let's break down the integer main function in this C++ program. So first is customer declaration. Declares a variable named customer of type customer. This object will store details about the current customer. Second, the option declaration. Integer option declares a variable named option of type integer. This variable is used to store the user choice from the menu. Next is welcome message. Display welcome message. Call the function to display a welcome message. This function is defined in the void. Fourth, main loop do while. Initiate a loop that repeats until the user chooses the exit option. The loop provided a menu for the user to interact with. Next is menu display and user input. Display menu. Call the function to display the main menu option. Cout, enter your choice 1 to 3. Prompt the user to input their choice. Cin option. Read the user choice into the option variable. Cin ignore clears the option buffer to prevent issues when mixing Cin with getLine. Next is menu option switch. Switch option. Switch statement based on the user menu choice. Case 1 to call the function to rent a bicycle. Rent bicycle. The case 2 display available bicycle. Case 3 is to display a farewell message and exit the loop. Case 4 to save customer details to a file. And then default is to handle invalid menu choice. Last but not least is exit and return code. Return 0 indicate a successful exit of the program with a return code of 0. Overall, the integer main function serves as the entry point of the program, managing user interactions through a menu system and controlling the flow of the program.
Next, for display welcome message function is responsible for displaying a welcome message when the program starts. The welcome message is surrounded by multiple lines of new lines to create space, enhancing the visual appeal. Finally, the system CLS recommend is employed to clear the console screen, providing a clean slate for the next display. For display menu function is in charge of presenting the main menu option for the awesome bike rental system. The menu includes 3 options: renting a bicycle, displaying available bicycle, and exiting the program.
So for void display available bicycle is a command to show the available bicycle that we have in our sister rental. So for example, here we see out in bold and magenta colors, and then we see out available bicycle that we have, and then we use ZW to width to more tidy, which for type, color, hourly rate, and then we also see out available bicycle based on number bicycle that we already stated above as mentioned by Laila.
Next, for the rent bicycle input, the function begins by prompting the users to enter personal details such as name, address, and phone numbers. It uses the getLine function to handle input the spaces and store the information in the customer struct. Next, displaying available bicycle function is then called to present the user with a list of available bicycles. This function displays the types, colors, and hourly rates of the bicycle. For the bicycle selection, users can choose for rental by entering a number corresponding to the available option. For rental summary display, users' choice is valid. The program displays a rental summary that includes the customer name, the selected bicycle type, and the hourly rate of the chosen bicycle. For the additional rental information, the number of hours for rental and whether they are returning customer or not.
Okay, next is double calculate rent. So we use double because it can be decimal, and then we have integer byte type, integer hours, bool is returning customer, and also double hour rate, which is can be decimal also. So next, this command is for to set hourly rate for different types of byte by using a switch statement. For example, we have 3 types of byte, right? So we have switch for 3 cases here. So case 1, hour rate is 2, and then case 2, hour rate is 8, and then for case 3 is hour rate for 10. So here, from here, it's going to switch based on customer choices. So for example, if customer choose case 1, and then it's going to go for if the customer is returning customer, it's going to see out for welcome back, enjoy 10% loyalty discount, and then it's going to reduce 10% for your payment. Okay, last but not least is void save customer to file. Means that we want to save every customer that use our system into another file. So we need to use output file. For example, here we use OF stream output file customer underscore details txt. Means that every customer that use our bike rental system will be saved into or will be recorded into this customer underscore detail, which based on their name, phone numbers, and address. Which means that if we want to look on their information, we can find it in our customer status TLT.
Awesome Bike Rental is designed to allow users to choose bicycle to rent, see which bicycle are available and exit the system. To improve user involvement, the system includes color-coded console output, customer and bicycle structure, and loyalty discount for returning client. The use of structure for customer and bicycle along with well-defined function enhance code organization. The program also utilizes colored text for a visually appealing user interface. The inclusion of a loyalty discount for a returning customer adds a valuable feature to encourage customer retention.
The Awesome Bike Rental system has notable deficiency, impacting its robustness and user experience. These include the lack of comprehensive input validation, leading to potential runtime errors. The user interface, especially in capturing customer information, is not intuitive. Magic numbers and suboptimal code organization reduce maintainability. File input or output operations suffer from hard-coded file names and a lack of error handling. The use of system CLS for screen clearing may lack portability. Addressing these issues through enhanced input validation, improved user interface design, code refactoring, and better error handling is crucial for overall program reliability and user friendliness.
Next is a recommendation to improve our Awesome Bike Rental system for a better future. So first, we can implement our input validation, which is can improve the program's resilience and user friendliness. Second, we can use an intuitive user interface, which a structured approach to capturing customer information, which it can reduce input errors, enhance a better user understanding, and contribute to overall smoother experience. And then third, we can improve code organization, which it will improve the program readability and maintainability. Next, we will enhance our file input and output operation, which can prevent unintentional override.